Really typical, you come out to do a video, as soon as you sit down it starts to rain. Great. Typical now, you move underneath a tree and then it stops raining. Anyway, in the last few days, Hover have dropped a new update for the drone, which is 7.8.11, and an update for the app, which is 2.27.0. Now, one of the new things that you've got on there is a feature called snapshot, which is like the original Hover, but it now means that if you stop in a position for 3 seconds or more, the drone will take a photo of you as well as carrying on recording. And at the end, when you finish, it'll produce a nice little video with music and one thing and another. But it will also keep the original photos and the video if you need to use them for any other projects you've got in mind. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to your Hover settings, select the change flight mode, select snapshot, save it, then go back to your flight options, choose the snapshot option, and there you've got the options of duration, which is 30 seconds or continuous, photo and video, shooting mode is only normal, frame rate is between 24 and 60 frames a second, your video encoding is H.264, 265, and your filter, you've got the 3 options again, standard, soft or vivid. Okay, so we're going over to snapshot. Rain's coming down heavy again. Don't know if you can see that, but we're getting hailstones now. Good news, the rain has stopped. Right, so once you launch the drone, it'll start recording as normal with a red light on the front, but then that red light will change to a white flashing light when the drone's taking a photo. Now it says you've got to stop for 3 seconds, but I found that if you more or less just hover, no pun, if you just pause for a few seconds, it will take a photo. Let's get started.
Continue. Snapshot.
Right, so the red light is on now. Move back at the drone in, and it's flashing white. Okay, as you can see, it's back on, flashing white, flashing white. So I'll start moving about. Red light is on, filming me going round. I'll stop, taking the photos, go round again, stop, photos. Okay, that's the snapshot function. If you did find the video useful, give us the thumbs up. A like would be nice. Try and get into double figures. That'd be really nice. And I'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching.